So the change that we need to make is we need to make these as not backslash but front slash, because without putting it into front slash, it will not go proper. All right. So with that, we will open the file. Let's run this out. Oh yes, it has opened the file. Now I need to print it. Okay, so that means the entire file is there in the FOBJ. I need to print it out. So I can say for every line in FOBJ, let's print a line.rstrip. Okay, stripping off whatever is on the right side. You can check what happens without doing that, and then you need to close this particular file when you finish. Function F5. Hi, just trying out file management in IoT. This is what was our particular file. We just read that. Okay, that's very good. For every line, we printed the particular line. Now, what if you don't do the rstrip? What happens? Okay, you see a lot of right hand side material results in a \n, correct? Which is not favorable for us currently. So we just need to print line. But if you do something like this, if you just say, but that's not advisable anyway. So with that, we could just do an rstrip and strip off whatever is there on the right. So that's how we print each particular line, correct? So this is about, sorry. Okay, this is about opening a particular file. We'll learn more about file management in the coming lessons, about how to write and how to read and stuff like that.